Guys, welcome to Greener Channel. Now, let's talk about dental health quick. Did you know that plaque buildup can lead to cavities, gum disease, and even bad breath? Ew! Here are four simple steps to remove plaque and keep your teeth healthy. 1. Master the 2 minute rule. First, you should brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes twice a day using a fluoride toothpaste. This gives the fluoride time to strengthen your enamel while removing plaque effectively. And don't forget to angle your brush at 45 degrees to clean along the gum line. 2. Floss like a pro. Brushing alone doesn't reach between your teeth. That's where flossing comes in. It removes trapped food particles and prevents plaque buildup in those hard to reach spots. Rinse with mouthwash. A good antibacterial mouthwash helps kill germs that brushing and flossing might miss. Look for one with fluoride for extra cavity protection. 4. Eat tooth-friendly foods. What you eat matters too. Crunchy fruits and veggies like apples and carrots can naturally clean your teeth, while dairy products like cheese help neutralize acids in your mouth. There you have it, effective tips to keep your teeth plaque free and cavity proof. Your body and smile deserve the best care. So, which of these tips are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need these tips. Let's build healthier lives together. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep smiling.